So she has never been the one to criticize or attack anybody because that's not in her nature. So she did not indulge into mudslinging. I told her that we will just pursue it legally. Her family life and her matrimonial life should not be destroyed under the garb of sensationalism.
People want to know in brief, ये रूपाली गांगुली defamation case क्या था and what is the update on this case? Because Rupali fans, they really want to know the update about this case.
So फिलहाल तो यही अपडेट है जो आउट इन द ओपन है. हमने जो लीगल हमने इसे चैलेंज किया आफ्टर जो भी चीज़ें बोली गई थी
Her stepdaughter. So
हाँ.
what exactly happened?
So all these malicious attacks जो थे, बहुत सारे derogatory, defamatory statements थे. So she did not indulge into mudslinging. I told her that we will just pursue it legally. She did not retort anyway. You've never seen her making any derogatory statement or remark against her.
Yes.
We just pursued our rights legally. Then we got a favorable order. Touchwood, like mashallah, I have immense faith in the judiciary. Only thanks to the judiciary, we got a very good order from the Honorable High Court, restraining not just her, in fact, a very good John Doe. If I may explain what does John Doe platform means, all media also, like that time, media was also very insensitive to the fact that these are the statements that are being probably जो statements आ रहे हैं, but these need to be verified, right? If you can reach out to her, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि वो कोई unknown person है जिसका आपके पास contact नहीं है. सब media houses के पास उनका contact है. Without reaching out to her, without verifying with her, सबने अनशन कुछ भी छाप दिया.
उन्होंने अपनी story में, the stepdaughter posted on her story and then they took the lead.
Yes, it was circulated. It was then the kind of traction it got. It's because media amplified it. So again, we got a favorable order, not in terms of the person in question, but also the media houses, also John Doe platform. It includes all media houses now to be very careful. They can't publish anything, derogatory or defamatory against her, henceforth like that. Because, and without, especially, in a sensitive matter like this, because this just does not involve her profession. Professionally, so of course, this could tarnish her profession, reputation. That doesn't need to be said.
Yeah.
But this includes her personal life also. Her marital life could get distorted because these are all familial relations.
Yeah.
It's a familial dynamic. This girl is her stepdaughter, and she's married to her father. So media also needs to be a little sensitive to that fact and acknowledge the fact that it's that her family life and her matrimonial life should not be destroyed under the garb of sensationalism.
Right. So the update is that, I mean,
हाँ कि हाई कोर्ट से हमें मिल चुका है अभी फिलहाल ऑर्डर फेवरेबल. जो एड इंटरम रिलीफ है वो हमें मिला है हाई कोर्ट से. टचवुड, एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल. इनफैक्ट इवन शी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी थैंकफुल टू द जुडिशरी फॉर एक्नॉलेजिंग. ऑर्डर में ये भी लिखा गया है साफ कि मलिशियस जो उनके जो पोस्ट थे वो बहुत मलिशियस थे. वो भी ऑब्जर्वेशन के साथ है कि जो कंसर्न पर्सन ने जो पोस्ट किया वो सारे मलिशियस थे. वो ऑब्जर्वेशन के साथ हमें बहुत अच्छा रिलीफ मिला है. सो वी आर रियली हैप्पी.
घर की बात घर में क्यों नहीं रहती है? इतना पब्लिकली लोग डाल देते हैं.
इन्होंने तो नहीं उठाई ना ऐसी कोई बात. मेरे क्लाइंट ने तो ऐसी कोई बात पब्लिकली नहीं उठाई. इनफैक्ट अगर आप देखो तो पोस्ट और जो इनके पोस्ट जो रिसेंट उनके लास्ट फ्यू पोस्ट है उससे दिख रहा है कि इनके रिलेशंस काफ़ी कॉर्डियल है काफ़ी टाइम से. तो शी हैज़ नेवर बीन द वन टू क्रिटिसाइज और अटैक एनीबडी बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट इन हर नेचर.
Yeah.
But agar somebody is attacking you constantly, and when somebody starts attacking your child also, a 11-year-old child, if he's being called illegitimate, then what do you expect?